Yo, welcome back to another video here. I'm going to be continuing on with the Saab here. Picked up some Brembos here. I've already got them a little broken down here, and I got a bunch going on. So I got some new tools and some picks here. I'm going to be doing new axle boot kits and new transmission seals for the axles. So I grabbed those picks. I got master cylinder and brake booster from a 2007 STI. So those will match up with these Brembos. They actually all came out of the same car, and then I've got stainless steel lines. But today our goal is to get this thing on the ground, center the rack, see if we can get it aligned. I don't know if I'll have enough time, and then do the rear sway bar as well, because then we'll be sitting pretty much 100% done for the chassis of the car. So that's exciting. That'll be good. Gonna be rolling a bunch of stuff. So I got these cones as well for the ball joints, so I should be able to get those situated correctly. Seals here. These are O-rings for the Brembos. If you know anything about doing those, you do those. Then you split the case halves, and then I've got two boots for the inner, and then two boots for the outer on both front axles. I got all the stuff to rebuild the Brembos as well. New beauty belts, everything seated here. GoPro mount fell off the side of the welder. Nice, we'll be good to go. So let's get rolling. Alright, let's pop this side off, get the axle out and the cone in there. So here's what we've been missing, the little cone. Toss that in here really fast. So we got the axle out here. It came out in two pieces, but we are going to do that seal as well. But for now, we're going to put this in the vise and rebuild the boots and everything. Toss it back together. Got him. Alright, we got the passenger side one all rebuilt. Both boots went fine. This side, we just got to bang it off with a hammer, and there's a little retainer C-clip. Just reuse that guy, bang it back on. All good to go. New clamps, all tightened up. Before we can toss it back in and button up the passenger side here, we're going to redo the transmission seal, so I'm going to toss that out and snatch a new one and get it done. So I am just coating the outside of this with some engine oil. Just got some brand new stuff sitting on a shelf here. And I'm going to oil the inside as well, so that when you put it in there, it's not a dry fit. So I'm just going to press this in there. That was easy. So now we got to do the other side, and then we can center the rack. So we're gonna rinse and repeat. Just turn off the camera and get back with you guys when I'm finished up over there. Heck yeah. Yo, so I got the other side buttoned up here. So I got both axles in, fresh boots, all that good stuff. Both sides, all good to go. Did pop out that trans seal as well. So now we just need to center the rack. We just watched a video on YouTube, of course, and he made it super stupid easy. So basically we're gonna rack it out to the right, rack it out to the left. You mark it out with a Sharpie so that you know it's all the way right, all the way left, and then you go right in the center of the two marks. Should be pretty easy. And then we'll connect up the shaft here. This time I'm gonna pull up the steering shaft and get that set properly, and then use the STI one. So that's what we're gonna be doing now. All right, so I got the steering rack centered here. Easier than I thought. So there's actually a blue line here, blue line underneath the steering boot, not steering, dust boot. So we're good there. So I can go one revolution to the right, one revolution to the left, and then like a quarter turn after each one revolution. So we're centered up here. Now I need to center up the steering shaft, so I need to pull it out so I can get it onto the STI one there and get it all connected. So it is on the car there. Now we got to get the bushing to line up in the firewall and get this back up in there. This will be fun. Alright, tie rods are going on. Alright, she's out of the garage here. Looking good. Everything's looking super dope. So it's the first time it's been outside in like 5-6 months. We've got a baseline here. Looks like this one's towed in a little bit, so I mean, with the eye here, I don't know if the camera can tell, but we're gonna clean up a bit here and then set up hopefully something I can baseline the tow on. But we are looking fine. Well, camera fell and broke the tripod, so. Gonna see if maybe I can use the suction cup mount and slap it up here, maybe one of my extra bumpers or something. Maybe it'll stick to the side of the battery and then we'll be good. We'll get a good upper view, I guess, but oh well, we're gonna keep rolling. So here we are. Well, that's gonna have to do. Alright, so I did get it lined as much as I could. I did pretty much just eyeball it, but I did have the string up there to help, so I wasn't just doing it blind, but we should be pretty good. The wheel's fairly straight as well, so should be good there. I had it locked in here with the seat belt, so should be good there. Undo that. Now that I have the baseline alignment on here, I know I have plenty of room. Now with my adjustments for the toe, since I did have to trim the tie rods and the rack, so don't have to trim those out anymore. So I'm gonna jack it up really quick, take the wheels off, and then slap the cotter pins in the castle nuts, and then call it a night and push everything in. So without further ado, let's do it. Alright, we got her all wrapped up here. So everything is torqued up, aligned, you know, within eyeball spec. So we're good to go here. But we're looking really nice. I'm
super pleased. Everything is super solid and feeling good. The only thing I will probably end up changing out is the bushing on that steering column again. Still a little wobbly. It's a little worn out. I can see a light through the firewall there, but I'll do a bit more research, look one up, see if I can get a good one ordered from Subaru. But that's going to be a wrap for tonight. We're all set here. Thank you guys for tuning in. Peace out. Bye.